2 of the mission is now underway. The transportation of Minister Long during her visit to Mostovia. We'll be looking at how Eddie and his team provide close protection in vehicle convoy. VIPs are at their most vulnerable to terrorists and hostage takers when on the road. The team are now in a heightened state of vigilance and ready with well-rehearsed action scenarios to put down any potential threat. They are trained in sea navigation, can pilot almost any small craft, are expert divers, and may even have to be handy with a surfboard. Weapons and equipment are stowed and secured to the boat, so that in the event of a capsize, hands are free to right the craft and the patrol's ability to fight is not lost to the sea. Many of the regiment's earliest missions in the deserts of North Africa during World War II were mobility-based. Back then, they used American jeeps, but the vehicle most closely associated with the regiment is affectionately known as the Pinky.
Truthfully, they're a pain. It's hard work. No power steering, no nothing. Heavy, cumbersome. All the weight's at the top.
Despite its shortcomings, the old Pinky was considered a tough off-road vehicle that, thanks to its simple engineering, was easy to fix.